Should I have quit publishing on this channel? Let's talk about it. Let's go ahead and take a look. So this is my third YouTube channel, Baby Registry Reviews. I published on it January through April of 2025 just to see what would happen and what we could do here with this third channel. It's very focused on baby registry, so gear, things like that. Anyway, we did not publish anything in May, so I'm going to do an analytic report for May with 0 videos published. Let's jump right into the analytics. Okay, so here's just a quick look at May. Again, no videos went live, 38 views, 4.6 watch time hours, and 0 subscribers. We had a nice little takeoff there on the last day of 14 views. So let's go ahead and quickly compare this to some of the previous months. In April, we had 43 views, 4.7 watch time hours, and we gained 1 subscriber. In March, we had 49 views, 5 watch time hours, and 0 subscribers gained. February, we had 83 views, 11.3 watch hours, and 0 subscribers gained. And then in January, which was our kickoff month, we had 267 views with 25 watch time hours and 1 subscriber gained. I think YouTube often will give you a boost that first month because they don't know what your content is and they're just kind of like throwing it out there. So I may have got more impressions that month. All right, so that is what the journey has looked like thus far on this new channel, very focused. I have been doing previously about 1 video a week on this channel overall. Let's see, I think back in April, I did 2 videos a week. I gave that a try to see if that would help. The previous months beyond that, let's just go ahead and do January all the way through May for just like a quick visual. So yeah, 1 video per week, usually on Sundays, I believe, and then I doubled up just to see what would happen, and then we haven't published in May. Now, just real quick in my analytics for the earning on the journey to monetization, we are at 2 subscribers and 47 valid public watch time hours. Okay, so that's where we were at. Obviously, not even a drop in the bucket, but just wanted to show you that. Let's go ahead and go into analytics. So let's just look at May. And I would also like to mention I only do long form on this channel. It's still a young channel and I'm not continuing with it, but I only did long form while I was doing it. I already mentioned a couple of these stats, but let's go ahead and run through them. So watch time hours, 4.6, average percentage viewed, 41.9%, which, if we're getting close to 50% of a video viewed, that's great. We got 38 views, only 414 impressions, okay? Now, May, I wasn't publishing anything, but still, just interesting. Let me do a quick switch for April, just to see how many impressions we got in April. Okay, with 8 videos, we got this many. So, it wasn't a huge drop. The click-through rate, 7.5%. That's actually pretty solid. So the few impressions I'm getting are turning into views and clicks. And then the average view duration of 7 minutes and 12 seconds is amazing compared to my other channels, okay? When people watch these videos, they get hooked into them and they just keep watching them. All right, so this channel, again, I've always said I feel like it has great potential, and who knows, I would love to come back to this in the future, but for right now, 3 channels is just too much to manage. And I'm doing these baby registry review videos on my channel number 1, Mom, Wife, and Everyday Life, to try to boost that channel up and finally get that one monetized. So that is where we are here. Let's go ahead and click on the actual videos as far as content. If we are sorted by views, just a quick look here. Again, we can hit up a couple more stats here. Okay, sorting by views. The top video as far as views and other things was my very first video, January 5th. I published this one. It's been doing amazing as the first video. I don't know why, it just is. I mean, watch time hours there, almost an hour, over 50% viewed. Only 34 impressions got me 9 views, which gave me a click-through rate of 23.5%, which is awesome, and 6 minutes for average view duration. The next video down, and then the next one there, those are my 2 most recent, April 27th and April 28th. So my first video and my last videos are doing the best on this month. All right, a couple things to note real quick. Obviously, these views are very low numbers, so take it all with a grain of salt. But we have some strong click-through rates, and we have some very strong average view duration. Okay, this one, 12. This one, 18. Now, this 18 one only got 2 views, and yeah, people almost watched 100% of it. That's amazing. I need these stats on my other channel. All right, this one here, 18 minutes almost. It only got 1 view, but 1 view getting me 0.3 watch time hours is amazing for me. So this channel's been so interesting. I'm curious to see how quickly it declines. It's not very high up. I mean, we're talking about 38 views for the whole month. It's not doing well, but I'm curious to see if it can blip in the future, if the videos can take off. Because I'm actually going to talk about on my other May analytics video, Mom, Wife, Everyday Life, some of my old videos have taken off a little bit for me and for my standards. So I'm curious to see if that can happen here with a like dead channel, or if YouTube is just going to go ahead and put these on the back burner. So that is just a quick what is going on with channel number 3. All right, check out my other ones and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day.